past 100. It's been going nice and easy. Once it hits that 150, it'll cut on. There she goes. Beautiful. Perfect, just how I want it. No manual turning required. And they're set to go. Okay, well, I turned on the freaking thermostat and it fired right up. And I know this has a new high limit, so it's gonna work eventually as soon as it heats up. It's gonna take a bit. So I really don't know. Like they had the thermostat set to 15, so of course it's not heating. I swear they're just trying to drive the bill up for Northlands because they're mad at Northlands for not fixing. Like they have a couple of problems here. Like they have an oven that always smokes apparently, and the toilet on the main floor um, is always runs apparently. So they have a couple of gripes about Northlands. So I think they're just trying to make them spend as much money as possible because this is functioning totally fine, I think. Alright, so yeah, this is totally fine. It works. You can see hear the blower motor go. That has gone up to temp, so if they call us again, maybe we try to sell Northlands a new furnace. I don't know, because this is working totally fine when I'm around, but apparently not so when the tenants are trying to get it to work. So, but they're fine. I'm going to pick up a inducer. All right. I am convinced that these lovely ladies are just trying to rack up a bill for Northlands because it fires fine. This is a brand new high limit, so we're just gonna wait for that to twist, and I'm sure it'll work and we'll all be fine.